Welcome to Bhasham Developers Cyber County 5, a premium HMDA and TG RERA approved gated community strategically emerging in the rapidly developing Adibatla GHMC zone of South Hyderabad. A thoughtfully designed project for discerning homebuyers and smart investors who prioritize connectivity, development, and a high-quality lifestyle. Bhasham Cyber County 5 enjoys exceptional connectivity through the outer ring road, offering fast access to every major part of Hyderabad. The project is easily accessible via Raviriyala exit, Wonderla, Adibatla exit, and Bongoluru Junction exit, ensuring a smooth commute whether you travel by private vehicle or RTC bus. With the ORR just minutes away, it becomes an unbeatable location for daily commuters and IT professionals. This project is located in a highly significant area near the newly developing Ratan Tata Greenfield 330-foot road, positioned between two major national corridors, the Sagar Highway and the Srisailam Highway from the ORR. The rapidly developing Sagar Highway in today's real estate market connects Bhasham Cyber County 5 to LB Nagar, Vanasthalipuram, Thukuguda, and Shamshabad. The Srisailam Highway links you to Future City, TCS Adibatla, the Ranga Reddy Collectorate, Cairns and Foxconn, Amazon, Fab City, Tata Aerospace, Cognizant, the airport, and the ORR, all of which constitute Hyderabad's fastest growing employment corridors. With Future City and major IT and industrial hubs redefining South Hyderabad, the surroundings of Bhasham Cyber County 5 are witnessing rapid urban transformation. One of the region's largest IT campuses, TCS Adibatla, lies just a few minutes from the project. Global manufacturing giants like Foxconn and Cairns production facility are easily accessible from this region, driving a surge in employment opportunities. Hyderabad's upcoming Future City, planned as one of India's largest integrated developments, is located very close to this project. The accelerated development happening across this zone ensures strong appreciation potential for investments made here. Being within easy reach of Rajiv Gandhi International Airport makes both domestic and international travel remarkably convenient. The Ratan Tata Greenfield 330-foot road, Metro Phase 3 expansion, and upcoming transport developments around Adibatla greatly enhance the value of this corridor. Proximity to leading international schools and engineering colleges in Adibatla, Kongarakalan, and Mangalpalli makes this one of the finest locations to build a home. With the rise of premium villa communities, apartment projects, supermarkets, food courts, and entertainment zones, the lifestyle profile of this area is evolving rapidly. Bhasham Cyber County 5 is a premium villa and villa plots community crafted with superior planning and modern infrastructure. Black-topped roads, underground drainage, overhead water tanks, underground electricity, avenue plantations, a clubhouse, and swimming pools together create a highly refined living environment. A fully gated community with 24/7 security, ensuring complete safety for your family. A walking track, children's park, green park, and an excellently planned layout make this the perfect choice for your future home. Plot sizes ranging from 167 to 400 square yards are available, designed to meet every lifestyle need. Whether you wish to build your dream home or make a high-growth investment, Bhasham Cyber County 5 offers the ideal opportunity. Bhasham Cyber County 5, where location, connectivity, and development come together. Your future begins here. Book your plot today. Limited plots are available. Visit Bhasham Cyber County 5 and secure a plot today for your children's promising future.